Hey everybody, happy Wednesday to you. It's Pete Olson, the Montana Silver Stacker with MintBuilder.com/77771, the world's first and only silver and gold Bitcoin company in network marketing. Hey guys, I got an unboxing, only 25 rounds here, but it was really neat because one of the options that MintBuilder has is the random 1 ounce rounds that you can order, and I did that, and I always love doing that because I get so many different types of 1 ounce rounds. In fact, the ones I'm going to show you, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 different types of coins of rounds of my 25 ounces, because they just put in there whatever they have extra to fill the order. Most silver and gold dealers have that same option. Very, very cool. So let's just take a look at what I have. This first one, guys, again, 25 ounces. You'll recognize this one from the Sunshine Mint. That's a classic, right? And of course, what do they have on the back? Their one and only security mark there to prevent fraudulent activity. Very cool. So we're familiar with that. This next one is the St. Gaudens Walking Liberty. St. Gaudens Walking Liberty. So you can see her in her full wardrobe there, walking proud with the rays of sunshine, you know, coming all over the place, emanating from her with their staff there. And on the back, there it is, the beautiful eagle with claws ready to grasp and wings wide. Okay, I've had that one in the past, love that. This next one is called the International Silver Trade Unit. Very, very interesting. I've never seen this one before. And so on one side you have the scales of justice, right, with our judicial system. As crazy as things are in Washington, I'm not sure what kind of justice is going on there, but anyway, we'll pretend. So very cool. That's an iconic symbol. And then on the back, we have the eagle with what? The Liberty Bell. Beautiful. I've never seen that one. Never ever seen that one. So again, this is why I like those random 1 ounce rounds, because I see, I always see new rounds that I've never seen before. Okay, so I've got 3 different versions of this. This is the Buffalo 1 ounce silver round, of course, the iconic head of the chief there, Indian chief. You've seen that, and so many different mints make these, so everyone has their own twist on it. And on the back, okay, see that? Beautiful, beautiful round. They did a very good job representing that. Being that we're on those, let's take a look at another one. These are close, guys. It's just the Liberty. The Liberty is put in a different position on each one. So again, the warrior chief and the famous iconic buffalo actually was at the New York Zoo. That's where they got that image from that buffalo. Okay, and then let's take a look at a third rendition of the same type of coin, different mint, kind of the warrior chief, kind of a more of a straight on look with the face. See it to the side there, and then flip it over, and the buffalo in that ready to charge stance. All right, how cool is that? You know, that you can have the same symbols, if you will, but presented in a multiplicity of different ways. Okay, this is the A Mark Liberty Bell round. I've had this one before. Look how cool this is. I got two of these. One is kind of older, kind of been around the block on this one, and this is a newer one. Okay, see that? Let's take a look at the back. You guys see that okay? Beautiful. The eagle, of course. All right. Okay, so we're going to go to another one. I've got about 6 of these. This is from the American Argent Mint. Again, dealing with the scales of justice, right? Our judicial system. But a little bit different design than what we saw earlier, right? Remember what we saw earlier? And on the back, you've got the shield with the World Trade Silver embossing the top. Beautiful coin. Absolutely beautiful coin. I've never seen that particular one. Okay, we're familiar with this one, guys. The Morgan Silver 1 ounce round. You know it. You've seen it. You've lived it. You gotta love it. One of the icons. You know what's on the back. Wings spread. Yes, sir. You gotta love it. Okay. And the famous, 3 of the famous Walking Liberty. You know her. Look at that sunshine in the bottom right-hand corner there. The eagle, wing spread. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This is such a great time right now to be stacking physical silver rounds. Silver's about close to little over $17 an ounce. It's an absolute steal. You should be stacking as much as you possibly can. 5,000 year track record, guys. 5,000 years. It's been money. Doesn't get any safer. What do the wealthy do? They always buy assets when they're low and they sell high. Well, these are about as low as you can get. It's no better, right? With the 5,000 year track record, nothing matches that. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. Again, I love getting those random 1 ounce rounds. They're a lot of fun. And if you're interested in buying silver and gold at cost pricing with MintBuilder, simply go to mintbuilder.com/77771. If you're interested in the opportunity, guys, you're allowed to purchase your silver and gold with Bitcoin, and the company pays you out commissions in Bitcoin. Best home-based opportunity out there today, bar none. So the link will be below in the description. I appreciate it very, very much. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your social media networks. Please subscribe. And feel free to comment below. And let me know which of those 10 different coins or rounds that I had of my 25 total ounces was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. God bless you guys. Talk to you soon.